Data Factory is the main service in Microsoft Fabric for data integration and orchestration. It helps organizations to solve ETL and workflow challenges at a cloud scale, building on Azure Data Factory with usability and capability enhancements. It connects to 170 plus data sources across multi-cloud systems and on-premise environments, including legacy databases, modern cloud platforms, SaaS applications, and file systems. Data Gateway support makes it possible to bring the on-premise data into Fabric smoothly. A key highlight is the data transformation experience. We can transform the data using Power Query just like in Power BI or in Dataflows. This experience helps either the citizen or pro developers to prepare the data and transform with a familiar low-code approach without needing to write scripts. In case of advanced needs, Data Factory also supports pipelines to orchestrate multiple activities, apply conditional logic, and integrate seamlessly with other Fabric components or workloads. Data Factory supports different data movement patterns based on business needs. Copy job simplifies bulk copy, incremental copy, and CDC replication, change data capture, that means, covering many sources and many destinations through an intuitive setup. For real near-time synchronization, database mirroring can continuously replicate operational databases into one lake. This makes analytics and reporting easy while reducing impact on production systems. Here, performance is the strong focus, using parallel processing and efficient network utilization. This allows large-scale movement and processing with high throughput between sources and Fabric destinations. Now the most important thing, AI integration. With Copilot integration, the users can ask what they want in natural language, and Copilot will help to create the pipelines and transformation activities. This reduces the build-up time and lowers the skill barriers for complex integration work. For enterprise deployment, Fabric Data Factory improves CI/CD compared to its Azure predecessor. It supports better component level version control, deployment with options to use an external Git repo or Fabric deployment pipelines. Finally, the monitoring hub gives end-to-end visibility across workloads, supports cross-workspace analysis, and provides detailed troubleshooting views. It also allows saving successful pipelines as template for faster reuse and standardization.